Hey, what's up guys? Nurse Jenny here. In this video I'm going to do a detailed unboxing of the ADC AddScope 608 series Serenity tubing. Let's get into the video. Okay, so let's look at the box. This is the front of the box. AddScope Clinician Series Stethoscope. Limited edition. The tubing is limited edition. The tubing color. Outstanding acoustics, ergonomic headset with reinforcing yoke. I don't know what yoke is, but I will find out when I do the full review. AddSoft Plus Ultra Comfort ear tips and lifetime warranty. Pretty good. Alright, on this side, they've got all their different series of stethoscopes. So this is the 608 series AddScope convertible. They also have 615 Platinum Clinician, 612 Platinum Light, 603 and 609, which is called AddScope Light, which is the lightweight option of their stethoscope. Turn this way, just the barcode. Here, AddScope Clinician Series Stethoscope, and here we just have the company information, and the back of the box is white. So let's have a look inside the box. Alright, so it comes displayed like this, plastic cover to cover it. You take that off, and the stethoscope is displayed just like that. I'm just going to put this around my neck. Here we have a little spare kit with ear tips in it, 2 sets of ear tips, and it looks like they are small and large, which means you get the medium on the actual stethoscope. If you don't look close enough, you might miss something, but here it says very faintly, accessories beneath tray. So you can take off the tray, and inside you've got some extra stuff. So the pediatric side here turns into an open bell. So that screws off and that screws on. You get a name tag that just clicks on at this part of the stethoscope, and a user manual. Now guys, I'm going to do a full review of this stethoscope, so don't be too concerned with all the details because I will go through all of that. Let's have a look at the actual stethoscope. So you've got the stainless steel binaurals, wireframe, and the tubing, which is, they call it Serenity. It looks like little water beads. It's really pretty, very different. And the chest piece is turnable. You've got the adult side, pediatric side, which can turn into, like I mentioned, an open bell. And it says on the actual chest piece, it's engraved ADC AddScope 608 for the 608 series. So that concludes my unboxing of the ADC 608 series stethoscope with Serenity tubing. If you're in the market for a new stethoscope, you're not sure which one you're going to buy, I have loads of different reviews on my YouTube channel. So you can go there and check them out. And do me a favor, if you like them at all, give it a thumbs up or even subscribe. I will see you on the next video, and as always, remember, listen with your heart.